So now let's move into the skills page. So we've learned about how you build learning activities, which are the actual things the operators will follow. And skills are essentially learning activities that are grouped together to qualify for a skill. So if I look at the filler here as an example, I can see the filler description of the skill is managing and calibrating beverage filling machines to ensure accurate volume levels. Let's click into that skill to see what is actually included in that. So here we can see the title of this skill is filler. We have the description we just read and the location it's associated with. And here you can see the learning activities that are associated with this skill. So in order to be qualified for this skill, you have to complete the filling machine overview and the filling machine job shadowing. If you wanted to add a new learning activity to qualify you for the filler, you can click on this plus here, add a learning activity where you could browse the existing learning activities that you've built, or be directly linked to creating a new learning activity, which is what we've just done in the previous part. So once you've done that, you can click Save Changes, and that will save an update for this skill. However, if you'd like to add a new skill, you can come to this purple box up the top right, click Add Skill, and then you're brought to the same page again, just with a fresh template where you can give it its own title, its own description, the location it's associated with, and build out with the learning activities that are associated with this new skill that you're building.